Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Exercise 2.4. First question. Use laws of exponents to simplify 243 raised to power minus 2 by 3 into 32 raised to power 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 over 196 raised to power minus 1 whole under root equal to 243 3 raised to power 5 minus 2 by 3 dot 32 by taking LCM 32 is equal to 2 raised to power 5 minus 1 by 5 196 14 square minus 1 square root 3 raised to power, this is law of power 5 into minus 2 by 3 minus 10 by 3 dot 2 raised to power 5 into minus 1 by 5 5 into minus 2 by 3 over 14 minus 2 whole under root. Now 3 raised to power minus 10 by 3 5 to the 10 minus 10 by 3 dot this is cancelled 2 raised to power minus 1 over 14 raised to power minus 2 into 1 by 2 square root the exponent of square root is 1 by 2 so 3 raised to power minus 10 by 3 into 2 raised to power minus 1 over 14 raised to power minus 1. This step can also be written as 14 when we take this denominator to numerator the signs of the exponents will be changed. So 14 plus 1 over 3 raised to power 10 by 3 dot 2 raised to power 1. All the negative exponents become positive if they are exchanged, if they are shifted from numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator. Now 2 1s are 2 7s are. The only typical step or difficulty in this question for the students is how to solve 3 raised to power 10 by 3. This is very simple. 3 raised to power 10 by 3 means 3 whole 1 by 3. We can also write as 3 raised to power 3 dot 3 raised to power 1 by 3 because when bases are same, their exponents are added. When bases are same, their exponents are added. So we can write this 3 whole raised to power 3 raised to power 3 whole 1 by 3 as 3 cube dot 3 raised to 1 by 3 separately. Now answer is 3 cube means 27 and 3 1 by 3 we can write in radical form as the cube root of 3 cube root of 3. This is the answer. We will get the answer. Now question number 1 part 4. Eighty-one raised to power n dot 3 raised to power 5 minus 3 raised to power 4n minus 1 into 243 over 9 raised to power 2n 3 cube. This question is very simple. Is equal to 81 3 raised to power 4 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So 81 is actually 3 raised to power 4 n dot 3 raised to power 5. Dot, the sign of dot is should be here. If you put the dot here, that means decimal, like 4.5, 3.5. But 3, this is 3.5 and this is 3.5, 3 multiplied by 5. So make it clear. Minus 3 raised to power 4n minus 1, 243, 3 raised to power 5 over 3 square, 9 is 3 square, 2n, 3 cube. That is equal to 3 raised to power 4n plus 5. When bases are same, their exponents are added. Minus 3 raised to power 4n minus 1. Similarly, this is plus 5 over 3 raised to power 4n plus 3. Same step, same laws are being applied in all these three terms. You can say that is equal to 3 raised to power 4n plus 5 over 3 raised to power 4n plus 3 minus 3 raised to power 4n, 5 minus 1, 4, 4n plus 4 over 3 raised to power 4n plus 3. We can write like this step separately as, let's see here, a plus b over c. We can write a over c plus b over c. Similarly, if denominator is a single term, that can be written in this form. Now bases are same, so shifting the exponents to the numerator, minus 4n minus 3 by changing their signs, minus 3 raised to power 4n plus 4 minus 4n minus 3, that is equal to 4n minus 4n cancel, 3 raised to power 5 minus 3 2 minus cancel, 4 minus 3 1, 3 raised to power 1, 3 square 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 is the answer. Now question number we are solving question number 3, exercise 2.4. Two 1 by 3 multiplied by 27, 1 by 3 multiplied by 60, 4 raised to power 1 by 2 divided by 180, 1 by 2, 4 raised to power minus 1 by 3, 9 raised to power 1 by 4 is equal to 2 is its simplest form, so that will remain same. 27 3 cube 1 by 3. 60 by taking LCM of 60, 2 30 15 5. 2 square 3 into 5, 2 square into 3 into 5, whole raised to 1 by 2 over 180. Once again by taking LCM of 180, 2 square 3 square 5, 2 square 3 square into 5 whole raised to power 1 by 2, 4 that is 2 square minus 1 by 3, 9 3 square 1 by 4 and that is equal to 2 raised to power 1 by 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 3 into 1 by 3. This is law of power of power. Multiplied by 2 raised to power 2 into 1 by 2 This power is for the whole these factors. 3 raised power 1 by 2, 5 raised power 1 by 2. Separately, it can be written as 2 raised to power 2 into 1 by 2 multiply by 3 raised to power 2 cos 1 by 2 multiply by 5 raised to power 1 by 2, 2 raised to power 2 into minus 1 by 3 multiply by 3 raised to power 2 into 1 by 4. Now 2 raised to power 1 by 3 multiply our dot. We can write the sign of dot. Cancel 3 dot cancel 2 dot 3 raised to power 1 by 2 dot 5 raised to power 1 by 2 over cancel 2 dot cancel 3 dot 5 raised to power 1 by 2 dot 2 raised to power minus 2 by 3 dot 3 raised to power cancel 1 by 2, 3 raised to power 1 by 2. Now 2 cancel 3 cancel 5 1 by 2 1 by 2 cancel 3 1 by 2 3 1 by 2 cancel. The remaining factor is only 2 raised to power 1 by 3 over 2 raised to power minus 2 by 3. Now here, by applying the rules of exponents, if bases are same, then we can shift the denominator to numerator or numerator to denominator by changing the sign of their exponents. Minus 2 by 3 will become plus 2 by 3. This is the base. So 2 by taking LCM 3 is LCM, 2 plus 1 3 by 3. 2 raised to power 1 is equal to 2 is the answer. So this is a very simple question. Now we are solving question number 3, second part, which is the most important question of this exercise. All the questions which we have done today are very important. Exercise 2.4 is a very important exercise according to board point of view. Question number 3, second part. 216 raised to power 2 by 3 multiply by 25 raised to power 1 by 2 over 0.04 raised to power minus 1 by 2 whole under root is equal to 216, that is 6 cube. 6 cube 216. 2 by 3 multiply 25 5 square, which is very simple. All students know about 25, that is 5 square. 0.04 4 over 100. We can write this decimal form into fraction form. 4 by 100 minus 1 by 2 under root is equal to 6 by applying the laws of exponents. 3 into 2 by 3 dot 5 2 into 1 by 2 over, it can be cancelled, 1 by 25 raised to power minus 1 by 2 cancel 6 square dot 5 over 1 over 25. When we shift 25 into to numerator, the sign of exponent will be changed, plus 1 by 2. 6 square dot 5 over 5 square raised by 1 by 2 Again, by applying the rule of law of power of power, these two powers will be cancelled. 6k dot 5 over 5, 5 cancel. 6k under root, square and square root are being cancelled here. So 6 is the answer. So this is exercise number 2.4. Allah Hafiz.